Hello everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to load a dataset in PyTorch. So the first thing that we need to do is that importing Torch Vision. From Torch Vision, import datasets, and we would also want transforms because we wanted to perform the transformations as well. So another one is that from Torch Utils we are going to utilize the DataLoader. Actually, this is the DataLoader that I want. Okay, and I also want to split my data, so I'm going to use a random split. So this is the library that I will be requiring. And what I want to do is that I want to perform some transforms. So I'm just going to use compose. And in here, what I want to do is that transforms to tensor. So I'm basically converting whatever the data that I have in my directory, I'm converting them into the tensors. So now what I want to do is that I want to perform some normalization to it because it is a standard way to do it. So I have a mean, you could see here mean and standard deviation. So I'm going to apply mean, and the mean to be around 0.5 and 0.5 and 0.5, and also I wanted to apply the standard deviation too, so that is going to be 0.5, and let's say okay. So now I have applied my normalization to this, and I also want to rotate the image. So you could do so many things like color jitter or horizontal flip or vertical flip, and randomly resize it. There are so many things that are there for the transformation. So I'm just going to do one more random rotation. In this random rotation, what I'm going to do is, like, let's say 45 degrees. So it's going to set minus 45 to 45 degrees. So, or you can specifically mention like minus 30 to 30 or whatever you want. Okay. Now after this, what you want to do is that now you have a data. Now in this data set, you want to ImageFolder. And in the root, what you want to do is that you have to provide your path. So I have not specified my path. I'm going to specify my path. I have already the dataset loaded in here. You could see that this have a paper and the bacterial and healthy one. So I'm going to pass this path here. I'm going to pass this path here, and after that, what I want to do is that I want to apply the transformations. So apply the transformations onto this data. Now if I try to see my data, so you can see these are the transformations that I have applied on my data, and these are the things like root location and the standard transformations, and we have about 2475 pictures. Now this is done. So this is how you load your data. Now you wanted to split your data into training and testing, and how to do that. So I'm going to mention the train size, and what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to do the data, and you want to do about what 80%. So this is the 80% that you wanted to do your training size. Okay. Now the test size would be 1 minus train size. Okay. Now you can see what is the test size. Sorry, I meant to say sorry, data. Okay, now you could see you have about 495 pictures which are to be test subjects, and you have about train size, like you have about 1980 pictures for train size. Okay, now we have this. Now what we want to do is that train set and test set. In here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to random split. Like I'm going to randomly split the data into what? Length, train size and test size. Okay. There is a big error. Where is it? It's train size and test size in the data. It should supposed to be true. Okay, what is the error that we are getting? Random split size, sum of the lengths. Damn it. Yes, it's my fault. I have to convert that into the integers, not float values. I think it should work. Okay. Yes. So now we have converted this into the integers. Now what I want to do is that I wanted to do the train loader, and this is perfect. Okay. Now I'm going to use a data loader, and in which I'm going to pass my train set, and I'm going to set shuffle is equals to true. And later I want to use number processor for it to load, so I'm going to set it to 4, because the maximum is 16. Like if I try to press 10, it's okay, it still works. What about the 16? It still works. So what about if I press 100? Obviously you're going to get an error. Like the total suggested workers for the current is about 16 for the CPU set. So I'm going to set it to 5. Whatever you wanted to set below 16. Okay, this is the data loader. Now you have a train loader, and you want to see that how many samples are there. You have about 1980 samples. That is how you load your dataset in PyTorch. Thank you for watching.